Physics Challenge 9, Dielectric Current. Now initially we connect the current source I, then it consumes power W. We switch over to the voltage source with internal resistance R, then how much it's consumed the power. Now load, we say R. So if current is I, initially W equals Ri square, right? That means the load is W over I square. Now how much power is going to be consumed here? It's going to be the voltage here. It's going to be R plus R over RV. Okay, and the current is going to be V over R plus R. So if you multiply them together, the new voltage is V prime I prime equals R plus R square R V square, and here R is this. So when we plug in that, R plus W over I square W over I square V square equals W V square divided by I square R plus W well, we have to put the I square here. Okay, so that's the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check other challenging questions, and if you like, subscribe.